TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. It's 2 p.m. Eastern Time, 2 hours until that closing bell. Let's check in on the markets as indices relatively mixed in the middle of the trading day. Looking at a NASDAQ down 22 points, trading at 6705. Dow Jones up 28 points, trading 23,407, and S&P's positive by almost 3 points, trading at 2578. Let's jump right into it. We got a big day of news happening. We got a Fed statement coming out in 30 minutes from right now. We have Facebook earnings after the bell, right after the bell, 4:05 Eastern Time, and we have Tesla earnings as well after the bell. S&P 500 futures continuing to slide a bit, getting a little bit of a bounce in the recent last about hour or so from about 1, trading 25.75. NASDAQ 100, somewhat of a similar pattern, trending downwards throughout the day. 62.39 on that NASDAQ 100. It was as high as almost 62.80 pre-market about 8 a.m. this morning. So off about 40 points in the NASDAQ from those levels. Crude oil, we had crude oil inventories coming out, showing a decline of 2.44 million barrels. That number came out at 10:30 Eastern Time. There's that 10:30 bar. We were trading just at about $55 on the mark before those numbers came out, and oil has slid about a full $1 in the day since then, since about the 3.5 hours we've had, down to about $54.06. And gold bouncing around a bit and settling at about $12.77 currently. Other news we had this morning, we had ADP numbers for jobs coming out on 235,000, and as we go to that news, Fed holds off on rate hike as expected. Nobody was expecting a rate hike. They had a statement that was coming out, no press conference today, and the real news is about what will come in December. So we'll see if that rate hike is finally coming in December. But no rate hike as of today. So jumping into things, Facebook after the bell expected to show 40% sales growth, looking for $9.84 billion in revenue for the quarter, the third quarter, which would be 40% sales growth. Pretty staggering numbers. We'll see how they shake out. But ahead of that news, jumping in, well, here's Tesla to start things off. So Tesla after the bell as well, and it doesn't look like investors are looking for big numbers from Tesla, down almost 3% for the day, and Facebook up almost 0.8% or $1.50. Stay tuned. We got our man David White coming up right now at the Power Trading Hour. Then, of course, Tom O'Brien live from 3 till 5, and he'll have all those earnings numbers after the bell this afternoon. Have a great day, everybody. We'll talk to you next hour, top of the hour at TFNN.com.